told these people today, tomorrow I'm gonna do this one here. Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Alright, so tomorrow I'm coming here. I'm gonna do this video of this place. It looks awesome. This coffee place is called Nice. It's got like floors and floors, and it's got a swimming pool on top here and in front. But I think it's fantastic for a drone shot. So basically, I'm gonna come and go inside. So I plan to go from the sea, go down here, try to go through the water, get inside. I'm gonna get through the window, of course, I have to. Then I can face the coffee place. As I face the coffee place, I can do a side movement, then go back there and go back around, and then go out of this side, and then come back on this side right here and show the sign on the top. That's gonna be my flight path. I want it to be as simple as possible. I would love to ask if I can go there too, but I think I'm pushing it too much. I'm gonna ask if that's a seating place or if that's a thing. Wait, it's a room. It's not a seating place. I can't just fly through there. I would love to though. It looks amazing. We'll just see the front here. We'll go through, go to the right, go back out, go through, go to the left as an exit, get the side of the building, hopefully do a turn around like this, phasing again, and just to pull out. That's my plan. And then I'm gonna drink a coffee as a victory. I'll be so thrilled and I can move on to the next one. Hopefully I can do 2 more or 1 more. But we're gonna start with Nice. Hello. So I'm back in the room right now and I'm gonna practice a little bit on liftoff. The Bando City, that one is the closest that I have to what I'm trying to do tomorrow. Imagine tomorrow we're coming into the building. We gotta make it through the first window. There it is. I wanna face the coffee once I'm inside. All right, so this is the practice. I'm trying to go here, look at the right, exit. The goal is start high, go to the first floor, enter through the middle while still moving. Oh God, no. I still haven't mastered that. Yeah, like that. Ah, fuck. All right, that's enough practice for today. Let's see how we can do it tomorrow. All right, good morning. Let's see, we got a little, hey, it's okay. I don't really know where to start this video, but I think I'm gonna start it over there. Gonna fly it up there. Gonna go sweep into it. It's quiet right now. My drone's gonna be loud. I wanna show this interior. I wanna show this interior too. This is where the cat lives. If I'm feeling brave, I'm gonna go up here. Go upstairs. I think the space is enough for me. This is the tricky part here. Enter here and then exit. I'm gonna start recording right now. Recording. Easy, nice and easy. Nice and easy. I gotta get a view of the front first, okay? Sort of like our video will start from here, from this window. We don't want to hit this window or anything like that. Here we go. I'm gonna put that in the center and all right, so our video will start from here. There you go, yeah, from here. We're gonna back a bit. Not much, not much more, just a bit more. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go in. Nice entry. Cool. Switch around. Okay, we went a little lower there than normal. Back away and show the cat room. Okay. Nice. And hopefully nobody's coming downstairs or upstairs. Here we go. And pull away and down. All right, that's the video. Okay. Nice. Oops. All right. So the second time I went a little bit too fast on the stairs and I hit the wall a little bit on the side. All right, second shot. We're done with the hotel. We're gonna do a second shot right now. I love this wall. I love this wall right here. It's amazing. Let's hope my drone works. I want to find a place to sit down. I'm just gonna sit up here. I hope nobody minds. I don't want to disturb the peas. Here we go. How about that too? Got the goggles. Why does it feel like I'm doing something wrong when I'm when I'm doing this? I feel like this is just so cool that I feel like I'm doing something wrong, that it's not allowed. All right, the video is running. Oof, I'm set up right here, and here we go. Hoping to see if we can get sports mode. Yeah. sports mode, we're getting far ahead at the entry of this place. We're gonna walk around here and do an entry, a deserving, very deserving entry. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Here's where the video starts. Go. Oh, wind is strong. I want to go more centered. There we go. Okay, we got some people that might go across with me. Oh shit, 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 shit. Yours truly right there. Right there. Oh shit, shit, shit. No, no, continue, continue. Let's press the button. Okay. What? Okay. Alright, so the wind is quite strong. I see the thing shaking quite a bit. Let's go up and see this Guchang as it is. Aim it down a bit. Wow, that's pretty cool. High wind velocity. Okay, so the wind is super strong. I'm gonna bring it back down. Funny enough, I have a fly flying around me now. Cool. Ah, this is pretty awesome. Okay. I'm gonna go as far as I can and turn around and come back. I think this view is already good. There's a park here. I'm gonna stop it here. And I'm gonna do a video coming back. I'm not sure if I can cross this pond here. Well, apparently I can. Oh, okay. Alright, so now here we start. Okay, because it's early morning, there's very few people here. Hopefully nobody on the way. I don't want to scare anybody. Also because people might think that I can control this like 1,000%, and at the moment, not really. There are motorcycles going around here. Oh man, there you go. This is beautiful. Okay. Oh, the quiet ancient town. Okay, I can hear the drone and somebody walking in front of me. Are they walking past? Yeah, walking past. Pull away, looking down. Yeah, that's the shot that I wanted. Okay, let's see if I can get one more shot of entry and stuff, but you gotta time it. It's really difficult to time it so that people don't go through it at the same time as you. So third video is starting soon. And click it like that. Easy to find now on my. Here we go. For 3 video. Alright, here we go. Alright, motorcycle. now just go. Now just go, go. Slow, fast, doesn't matter. We want to take. We're going to show these people this beautiful little ancient town. From perspective they might not be used to. There you go. I like that angle. Yes. Go through. Oof. All right, that's it. Okay. Starting video 4. We're gonna have fun with this one. Ooh. Fun looks scary right now. Okay. One, two. 1, 2. Oh man. All right. That was awesome. We got down to 30% battery. Wind is very strong. So when we go to the seaside right now, it's gonna be even stronger. Let's go. All right, so that is the nice coffee place, and I am going there right now. See that? That's the nice coffee over there. It's got flapping. I can feel the wind myself. It's quite strong. We made it to a nice cafe. I'm going to sit up here. I want to be inside so that I get the reception when I come here and I do the move around. It's very windy outside. Look at all these trees moving so much. But I think the shot coming inside is so cool. Are you recording? And starting. And starting. And nice and smooth. pulling back, keep pulling back, and we're gonna do the second one. Alright. Keep pulling back, keep pulling back. And please don't fall in the water. Okay, stop and start and high wind velocity. Okay, here we go. Second clip starting. Wind is strong. Entry is not as good. That's number 2. We're gonna do one number 3, and that's it. Alright, let's do number 3. Okay. That's number 3. Starting, go. Here we go. Low in the water now. Okay, possibly the best one. Possibly the best one. It's day 2. I tried to ask this hotel if I can film a video. They said no. Let's try another hotel, see if I can get it or I get rejected again. I'm exercising my pitching of this service right now. This hotel is my next target. So basically I have 4 hotels that I'm gonna go and try to pitch this. 这里是那边可以出租吗？
然后呢，我们领导的意思就是说，可能不太支持。
Strike 2. I don't really know what she said, but she said no. 早上做了一个咖啡厅，现在就玩 酒店。是领导在这里吗？还是不在？
我是前台的。
Hotel 3 said no, but they got ducks. So I have one more hotel to ask if they can allow me to do a video. But before I ask them, I'm gonna have some fun because here is a beautiful garden. And I just want to take a little flight of this beautiful garden. There's nobody around now. Starting video. Okay, that was a good flight. This hotel is very world class. It's very intimidating, I have to say. Regardless, I want to see what it would look like. This is what the Tian Tai looks like. I'm gonna ask this side right here. 你好，我想问一下我想去这里外面拍一个无人机的视频，可以吗？
不可以，我们车上不能有人。
That's it. They say no. You know what? Let's make a friend and see if if it's possible another day. 你好。你好。想问一下，我可以跟谁说话？如果可以有这个
全线是
去哪？我就想问一下，因为我问了一个同事，